I made a million bitch to do like the mimic. I come like a king like the mix. I'm moving up, I can get it for sure, for sure. She told me, how can you fix it? I'm moving around, trying to be gone to show, for sure. I thought I told you I make it. I fed that bitch and then begging to beat me. Let me see, man, cause she know I am down. Oh, it's that, the 100 bands by my side.
To create this smooth speed ramp edit like After Effects, we are going to using an app called Node Video Editor. This app is available on iOS and as well as on Android. You can use the Node Video Editor free and paid if you want to. In free version, you don't get some effects, masking, CC, etc. And I'm using the free one. So let's get started. Start a new project and hit the green plus button, then Media, and then click on Extract Audio from Video and select any video song in your gallery. After the audio imported, click the play button. Let it render to the end. The green line that going left to right is the rendering process. To add beat marks, click this button in down right side corner. Make sure that you are not on music layer while marking beats. Click root once and click that arrow near root to open all layer and then mark the beats. You can use this section to hover on timelines. Once you're done marking all beats, then add the clips that you want to edit. Click green plus button and click Media and then click Videos. Now add prefetch to your clips by clicking on 3 lines on green bar, then click on Other, and then click on Prefetch. Click the Load to start prefetch. After the loading done, click on Save. Prefetch helps to render the clips faster. Cut the clips by using the scissors button. You can delete unwanted clips, click on 3 lines on green bar, and you can see the button Delete. Drag clips on this area and arrange them one after one. You guys can see how I arranged my clips right there. Now we'll add time remapping to every clip. Click on the clip in timeline area and click plus white bar below the transform bar, then click on time and add time remapping. Now click on Time Remap and add keyframes on start and end of the clip. Then hold and drag the end keyframe on your beat mark. In this clip, I will like to have a fast in, then slow in middle, then little bit fast, and fast out. That's why I added another keyframe on the beat. Select all keyframes and open Graph Editor and click on Second Graph and then copy my graph settings. Drag the second clip next to the first clip and add time remap. Then do the same to every clip. Sorry, I forgot to tell on first clip. After you drag the end keyframe on beat mark, drag the end of the video to the beat mark also. After time remapping all clips, add Optical Flow 8.0. Optical Flow 8.0 is like Twixtor plugin for After Effects. Click on 3 lines in green bar and click Time Interpolation and then Optical Glow 8.0. Switch off the use of GPU, add Optical Flow to every clip, but Optical Flow puts too much pressure on your device, so avoid it if you have low-end device. Now to export the edit this button and select the settings you want to export and hit the green play button. A piece of advice, put the phone in fridge while exporting.
Now show some support on this video so I can get motivation to make more tutorials like this.